Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today we are doing the last of the 10-minute challenge videos, at least for now. If you have any more ideas, let me know down below and maybe we can do some more in the future. But I only have a little bit of my Burgundy Petite pack left, so if you haven't seen the other videos, I used this Petite pack to create a journal spread and some tags, all of which I did in under 10 minutes. So that's what we're going to kind of be doing again today. However, we're going to be making some hidden paper clips, like lace doily paper clips. And I am using some butterflies from the pink Petite pack, as well as some labels from that pack. And then of course we're going to need some paper clips, some distress ink, and the lace doilies themselves. And I will have all of the supplies linked down in the description box. So if you're looking for anything, it should all be down there. And as part of today's challenge, I'm going to actually be coffee dyeing my paper doilies in that same 10 minutes that I'm also doing the assembling and decorating. So we're going to see just what I can accomplish. Feel free to grab your supplies and join me while I decorate today. I will be popping up a timer on screen so that you can follow along if you want. Otherwise, you can just watch the video, laugh, and enjoy seeing what we can create in only 10 minutes. Again, if you do participate in the challenge, please share photos of what you make in our Facebook group. We love to see it and share and compare and just have a lot of fun. Otherwise, though, let's go ahead and get started. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! For anyone wondering what I'm doing right now, I am running off to the kitchen to grab a plate to pour some coffee on my paper doilies. That way they can sit and soak during the rest of the video and darken up a little bit before I pop them in the microwave to help give them kind of a darker, more distressed color. Okay, so we're gonna set those to the side while I work on trying to do this part. Okay, so we've got those soaking. They're not the most even thing ever, so there's not gonna be a lot of coffee. I don't know if they're gonna be very dark, so we'll have to see. If you haven't made these before, you know, feel free to just watch me suffer and then join in next time. But if you want to craft along with me, I guess I could, oh, I almost just dipped that in the coffee. I could try to give some instruction here. So soak your paper doilies in coffee. The longer you do, the darker they will be. So I think that's gonna be one of the last things I do. Well, I don't know. We're gonna try. I did print everything on cardstock for this project, and I'm just going over the edges with some distress ink. We're gonna fold those little rounded pieces in half. And then what are we doing? Usually this is so backwards. I usually have these done, so I clip them on and then decorate, but I guess we're gonna decorate first. So I do have these, which I think are cute. I think I'm gonna go ahead. Don't want them. Oh no. Oh no! I'm questioning my plans, which I wasn't supposed to plan. It's kind of cheating. So should I do something? Usually I kind of go off the edge and then I add like a label here. But maybe today we should just skip the labels and do something like that. Or I could fold these in half and just do like another layer here. Is that cute? Or is that ugly? We're questioning all of our decisions. I don't know if I like that. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, nope, we're not getting into paralysis today. It's not happening. That was the problem with the tags. Oh, I'm so boring. I'm just like, put a butterfly on it. And that's the only answer I have to give to anybody who wants inspiration right now. What are we doing? We have a problem? Butterflies! Okay. Does this clash? Kind of. It's fine. We're gonna go for it. No, we're not. Maybe we are. Hold on. Uh-oh. No, it's fine. Shh. Stop. Don't freak out. We haven't even started. Oh, 6 minutes left. Wow. Wowee. Wow. Wow. Okay. These are gonna be fine. These always look cute no matter what. I have faith. I can do this. Okay. I am gonna sneak over here and grab a label or two. Okay. Let's grab the beehive sticker. Nope. I don't like it. Oh no. It's too big. Should put it down first. Oh. The inability to plan where things are gonna go. Now it just says B. Usually I would have used a smaller butterfly for this. Okay. I'm not talking very much because I'm genuinely stressed about this. Oh. Oh, it's not enough. I needed to move it over. Come back. Come here. This is not going to be a good instruction. I started out being like, let me give you some instructions on how to do this. Actually, no, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like these are too pink, which makes sense because I'm using the... Is that worse? I don't know. The pink Petite pack with the burgundy one. So yeah, it isn't always easy to get things to match. This is why when you buy a Petite pack, everything in it goes together and it's genuinely very helpful. Otherwise, you have to do what I'm doing right now, which is panic. You just get to panic. You get to freak out. Okay. 4 minutes. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. We gotta just glue this on here. We gotta glue this on here because I gotta go. I still have the microwave. Oh, and I gotta put them all together. It's not good. It's not gonna be good. We're gonna panic. Oh no. Art, sure, why not? Why not? If it says arts, I'm sure that makes plenty of sense. No, wow, we really didn't use much of that at all. Okay, gotta go. Oh, don't spill. Gotta go. I have to get this microwave. All right, so here is where I'm going to dump the coffee out and then put those doilies in the microwave for anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute and 30 seconds, depending on your microwave. Usually I would stand and watch them to make sure nothing happens, but I was kind of in a hurry here, so I just left them, but I would recommend staying with them. My parents' dog is like, why are you running around like a crazy person? What was I needing? These. Okay, we're gonna need 2 and they need to not be stuck together. Have you ever tried to like do one of those Bob Ross painting tutorials where you actually follow along with him and then it's just like nearly impossible to actually keep up? Okay. I have no idea what this is from. I found it in the scrap box, but I feel like I want this covered up more. I want something bigger there. Okay. Arts is crooked. Of course it is. Of course it is. Can I maybe get this out in time? Oh, we have 3 minutes. We have 3 minutes. Oh, we have no time. I'm not gonna make it. Oh boy. Put that down. Put down. Couple words. Couple butterflies. Couple. I need my doilies. Okay, we got the... Oh, it left an imprint because I had them overlapped. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're going to... Wait. Where's the pattern? Got it. That's kind of interesting. It's kind of fun. Okay. Wait, where does the... I almost forgot where this goes. Okay. Yeah. Then we add that on there. And then we're gonna take this, add glue, and glue it down on top. They got a little wrinkled, not going to lie. It's a wee bit wrinkled. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Look, we've made 2 doily paper clips in 10 minutes. Yay. I didn't get the backs decorated. That's okay. That is a problem for future Kyra to deal with. Because right now, I'm just happy that this is done at all. Okay. Did I do this in the right order? I think I did. Part of me was worried that like I would just forget what order to put things in. Because I'm not worried about like how straight things are or whatever. Okay. Maybe I can get like, I've got a minute. Get a little bit of extra stuff on these guys so they're not so white. Of course, you can always print on the back of things. I just didn't even know what I was going to be doing today, so. Okay. Those are kind of cute, right? Do I want to decorate the back? I have 33 seconds, but I always feel like I feel compelled. Like maybe I can do something. I don't think I can. We make tiny doilies. I don't know. I just want to cause problems for myself. I can feel it. Okay, no. All right. That wasn't so bad, given everything. I probably would have normally distressed that more. Okay. Woo! Look at that! 10 minutes! Not bad. All right, so after the fact, I did realize that I had decorated them upside down from how I usually do it. However, it really just depends on where you want these to go. If they're clipping at the bottom, going up, you want to decorate them that way. If they're going to be at the top of the page, facing down, you'll decorate them how I did them today. So it really just depends on the orientation. And then I didn't decorate the back of mine. Typically, I just add like another butterfly fussy cut to the back of them. So I'll probably do that a little bit later. However, for today, this is kind of what we have. I do have another tutorial showing how to make these a little bit slower step by step, and I will link that down below for anybody who is interested and wants to watch an actual tutorial on how to do this. But otherwise, I'm pretty proud with you know what I was able to accomplish today in just 10 minutes. And following the other 10-minute challenges I did, you know, now we've got a full page spread, 4 tags, and 2 hidden paper clips. And if you add it all up, that's all in just 1/2 hour, right? 10, 10, 10, 30 minutes total. So that's pretty cool. I hope that you guys were able to craft along with me, maybe give this challenge a try, have a little fun with it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!